This video I will explain common mistakes when buying health insurance. Buying health insurance is one of the most important financial decisions, but many people make simple mistakes because they do not understand the details, choose in hurry, focus only on price. These mistakes can cause claim rejection, high out-of-pocket expenses, or insufficient coverage. Mistake number 1. Choosing a plan only because it is a cheap. Many people select the plan with the lowest premium. Why this is a mistake? A cheap plan often has low sum insured, many restrictions, high co-payment, sublimits on treatments. This means you will still pay a large amount from your own pocket during a medical emergency. You have to always balance premium versus coverage versus benefits. Mistake number 2. Buying too little coverage. The sum insured is the maximum amount the insurer will pay in a year. Common mistake. Choosing a small cover like 2 to 3 lakh. Why this is risky? Hospital costs are very high today. One surgery can use up the entire amount. Choosing a higher coverage protects your savings and your family's future. Mistake number 3. Not reading the waiting period. The waiting period is the time during which certain illnesses are not covered. Many people buy a policy and think everything is covered immediately. But pre-existing diseases and specific treatments may be covered only after a few years. If you do not check this, your claim may be rejected. Mistake number 4. Hiding medical history. Some people do not tell the insurer about diabetes, blood pressure, past surgeries, and existing illness. They do this to get the lower premium. This is serious mistake. Why? During a claim, the company checks your medical records. If something is hidden, the claim can be rejected and the policy can be cancelled. Always give correct and complete information. Mistake number 5. Not checking network hospitals. Network hospitals provide cashless treatment. If your preferred hospital is not in the network, you must pay the bill first, then request a reimbursement. This creates a financial stress during emergencies. Always check good hospitals near your home are included. Mistake number 6. Ignoring co-payment clause. Co-payment means you pay a fixed percentage of the bill. For example, if there is 20% co-payment and the bill is 1 lakh, then you pay 20,000 and the insurance company will pay 80,000. Many people do not notice this while buying the policy. Lower or zero co-payment is better. Mistake number 7. Not understanding sublimits. A sublimit is a cap on certain expenses like room rent, surgery, and doctor's fees. If the limit is low, you must pay extra even if your total cover is high. Mistake number 8. Buying too late. Many people wait until they get older, they develop health problems. Why this is a mistake? When you buy late, premium is higher, waiting periods are longer, medical tests are stricter. Buying early gives lower premium, better coverage, and fewer restrictions. Mistake number 9. Depending only on employer insurance. A corporate health insurance plan is useful, but it ends when you change your job, when you lose your job, when you retire. If you do not have a personal policy, you may be left without coverage. Always have your own individual or family plan. Mistake number 10. Not checking the claim settlement ratio. The claim settlement ratio shows how many claims an insurer pays successfully. If this number is low, there is a higher chances of claim problems. You have to choose a company with a high and consistent claim settlement record. Mistake number 11. Ignoring policy renewal terms. Some people do not check if the policy offers lifetime renewability. This is very important because you need health insurance the most in old age. Mistake number 12. Not reading the exclusions. Exclusions are treatments that are not covered. If you do not read them, you may expect payment for something the policy never covers. Mistake number 13. Not comparing multiple plans. Buying the first plan you see is a common mistake. Always compare benefits, compare coverage, compare futures before deciding. Now we will see the real life example. Person A buys a cheap policy with lower coverage, high co-payment, room rent limit. Person B buys a slightly costlier policy with high coverage, no sublimits, and good hospitals. During a medical emergency, person A pays a large amount from their own pocket. Person B pays almost nothing. The biggest mistake is not understanding the policy before buying. A good health insurance plan should give enough coverage, fewer restrictions, access to good hospitals, and long term security.